Alright, chefs and chefettes, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. Let's go. We're getting into this video. Today we are showing you how to make an easy fried rice recipe. Right, Chef Sam?
That's right.
So easy. Guys, this recipe right here is going to take about 10 minutes. So let's jump right in. You ready?
I'm ready.
Are you guys ready? Let's go. So for the ingredients you're going to need, guys, first and foremost, you're going to need some rice. Some refrigerated pre-cooked rice. So this rice we cooked yesterday, we had it in our fridge. Don't use fresh rice because it's going to be clumpy. So you want to use maybe a day old rice that you had in the fridge that's still cold. After that, we're going to need an egg. So we got egg. If you don't eat egg, you're allergic to egg, skip it. You need oil. And then your veggies, whatever veggies you like in your fried rice. We're using onions and green onions or scallions. If we had some bean sprouts, we would have used that too. And guys, if you want meat, you can use meat, but we're not using meat today. And last but not least, you're gonna need soy sauce. So here's the ingredients you're gonna need to make the fried rice. You can make this in your frying pan, or if you have a wok, even better. So let's jump right into this video.
All right, guys, we are jumping right into this. You're gonna need to pour at least a tablespoon of oil in your hot wok or your hot pan. So we're gonna use this to make our eggs, right? First, not butter, oil. If you don't have vegetable oil, you can use olive oil, that's fine too. Sesame oil, peanut oil, all those are great. So our wok should be hot. Do we hear it sizzling? Put it up just a little bit. We're gonna throw our scrambled eggs. Here we have 2 eggs. Oh, definitely gotta cook more.
Not hot.
It's not hot. Don't worry. Woks get hot so fast. So watch. Alright, so it's hot. We are mixing this up. I know y'all hear it sizzling now. I know y'all hear it. Chef Trini, do you hear the sizzling?
I hear it sizzling. What's next? What's next? What's next?
Next, we're gonna put the rice, our cold refrigerated rice, inside this pan. Let me just break up a little bit more of these eggs. Right? We don't want big clumps in our stuff. Do you want big clumps? No. All right. Get our rice. So we just down a little bit since now it's hot. Our rice, nice and cold. And we're gonna fry this up together. It's good. You see? Look at this. Chef Trini, how you think this looks?
It look good. What's next? What's next?
Next, we're gonna take our soy sauce. Pour that bad boy right in there. Look. Just all together, guys, so you don't see no white rice.
Oh, we coming in. We gotta see how that rice looking.
It's smelling damn good. That's what it is.
It smells good.
Look at that.
Ooh, look at that fried rice. What's next? What's next?
All right, we're gonna take our veggies. We have, like Chef Trini says, some scallions and some onions. If you have other veggies, throw your veggies in. That's what we're gonna do. And this is the last thing.
That's the last step.
Last step. We're gonna fry this up. Watch me now. Watch me.
We're watching. All right, chefs and chefettes. This fried rice smells amazing. I wish you guys can smell it. Guys, take a look at this.
Wow, that looks banging.
Make this fried rice because I'm not sharing. This right here is mine.
I was just going to ask you if you could feed me a spoon, but you're selfish.
Anyways, guys, so like I was saying, make this recipe. I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and we are out.